Yep. Your destination is on the left.
You gonna be able to turn?
Maybe at the end of all this traffic. Don't go too far.
I didn't want to run into those next people. They're breaking it back up here. These can wait.
If they serve, what you call it?
Chicken? I don't think they do.
No, they don't. Just.
Hi, what can I serve for you?
What kind of blizzard? We have a blizzard,
Which one?
an Oreo blizzard.
What size?
So,
Medium.
what size?
Medium.
A medium.
Okay.
I have a banana shake, a large.
Whipped cream?
No whipped cream.
Okay.
Ice cream cone.
An ice cream cone.
What size?
Small.
Small.
Okay.
Is that it?
That's it.
Do you have chicken strips here?
No food.
Okay. Thank you. That's it.
1953.
Huh?
It's gonna be 1953.
Now you're gonna see if you can get in there.
Hello.
Ready?
We have a medium blizzard, a large shake, and a small cone. All right. That comes out to 1953. Did you want the receipt?
Yes, please. Have you had Culver's chicken strips?
The what?
Culver's.
Here is your card and your receipt.
Never heard of them. Or ever tried them.
The medium Oreo.
Okay.
Thick. Did you see what she did?
That's what they all do. And did you all want napkins?
Yes, please.
Right. Here you go.
You see what she did?
That's what they all do. The blizzards, yeah. They flip them upside down.
Take me to Culver's.
Here we go. Stop, Is it a kayak?
And here's that shake.
All right. Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day.
Okay.
Stop that. Is it a kayak? It's like a banana on top of it. It's a giant banana.
Put it now. Nobody's gonna let you in.
Maybe if I don't show my face, though.
Maybe after this car, you know, that truck's going fast.
Oh my god, that truck just like curveball.
Maybe after this truck right here.
Another one came in.
Oh no, that car turned in.
I think you'd have had Culver's. You had it in Avondale.
Oh yeah, you did. You got chicken strips. Who else was with us? Matthew?
Was it Malia?
Turn left on
Malia,
I-40
yeah.
Business Loop
It
East,
was you,
historic
me,
Route
him.
66.
And Malia. When we went to the movies. And we went to Culver's and you guys got chicken strips and I got a burger.
Oh, maybe she had some kind of butter bun hamburger. Sure she had chicken strip?
Maybe she might have had the burger. You.
I don't get
turn.
burgers.
Oh, she don't eat burgers.
I think you might have.
I eat burgers. I just don't like restaurant burgers all that much. I like In-N-Out though.
It's on this side, isn't it?
You told me to U-turn.
I thought it was
In
this
1,000
side.
feet, turn right onto West Reardon Road.
Now it wants me to go around this way. Earlier it said to U-turn.
Turn right onto West Reardon Road.
Chipotle. And Express.
In 600 feet, turn right onto historic Route 66, West Route 66. Take the next right onto historic Route 66, West Route 66.
Did you want to go somewhere else?
No.
I was asking.
Oh,
Malia.
Malia. I never can't get her name right.
It's
No,
Megan, Malia.
I know
Starts
it's
with an M.
In a quarter mile,
They
turn
all
left on
start with
I-40
them.
Business Loop East, historic Route 66.
Was there
That
some?
sounds-
Do you want to try the Culver's chicken strips, or
I can, yeah.
you want to go someplace else?
No, that's fine. I can try it.
Gloria likes them, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty sure she liked whatever she had. Do you remember or not?
What?
Turn left onto I-40 Business Loop East, historic Route 66.
Ran the wrong way.
Yep. No, you can make a U with that. A signal.
They're late, but there it is.
Well, I should have taken one of those pills.